Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey, how are you guys doing? Hey. So I'm back today guys with another reaction video to the group EXO, and this is performing live at the comeback stage their song The Eve. So I'm curious to see what they pass.
EXO 사랑하자. 엑소 멤버 사랑해.
Vocal Bob. Okay. I love this stage and the comeback stage. They be going off the chain. Oh, he better give us live vocals. Oh, he makes sure we hear his voice. No. Oh. No. No. Oh. Ooh. You better sing from the heart. Hey. Hey. Oh. What? XO. I am shooketh.
Which one?
I am shooketh. Shooketh. That was so sexual. I am shooketh. That was EXO performing their live The Eve on the comeback stage. I am shooketh. I need to rewatch that on my own time. That was a very good song. That was a very good song. Very good. Look at you. Like I said over and over, EXO never disappoint. They are a beast when it comes to performing. So I don't expect anything different. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. I say this over and over. Watch their Olympics performance. They murdered that stage. Watch that perform. want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this group and this video. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. We'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.